अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज मैं आपसे शेयर करूंगी अपना एक और शॉपिंग हॉल जो कि मैंने आमना नेचुरल्स और ऑर्गेनिक से शॉपिंग की है। जैसे आप उनके फेसबुक पेज पे जाते हैं तो आपको ऑप्शन आती है व्हाट्सएप की कि आपने जो भी प्रोडक्ट पसंद की है आप इस पर क्लिक करेंगे तो आप डायरेक्टली उसके व्हाट्सएप पे चले जाएंगे। लेट मी शो यू। और आप यहाँ पे उनको टेक्स्ट करके उनसे उनकी प्रोडक्ट्स के बारे में पूछ सकते हैं और ऑर्डर भी प्लेस कर सकते हैं। इसके अलावा नीचे इनका वेबसाइट एड्रेस भी है जिस पर आप अगर क्लिक करें सो दिस लिंक टेक्स यू टू द वेबसाइट। आई एम गोइंग टू शेयर द products and their prices that I have bought from Amna's Naturals today. Spices and herbs पे अगर हम जाएं, I have clicked that. So today I have ordered from them pink rock salt. मैंने इसके बहुत से फ़वाइद पढ़े हैं. I've been doing some research and ये 350 grams is only for 95 rupees. I'm going to soon share the things that I have received. So as you can see that you can simply add this to your cart and order that. Let's go back and I'm going to share what is the other thing that I've ordered. I have ordered cocoa powder. These are the products, as you can see, moringa leaf, and apparently some sort of a sale is going on these days. I have ordered sesame seeds. I've ordered these. I've ordered the sesame seeds. As you can see, saramaki leaves are also available over here. So let me go and tell you the price of cocoa powder. I guess it's here somewhere. No, it's not here. Nuts and butters and honey, jams and chutneys, sherbets. Yes, I have ordered their plum juice, mint sherbet, plum. I have ordered their aloo bukhara sherbet, which is for 450 rupees. And apart from that, I have ordered the cocoa powder and I am looking for its price. Let me look for it. Yes, there is a search. Cocoa and then search. Yes, cocoa powder. It starts from 159 and it ranges till 1299 rupees. So let me share with you. Basically, these are the different things. Peanut Nutella. They're also selling cocoa powder, and then rich chocolate cake mix. It's for only 299. It's on sale apparently. And if I click on the cocoa powder that I have ordered, let me see which variation did I order. I think I have ordered 800 grams for 1299 rupees. And then okay, fine, so they're saying that if we are going to buy 5, we're going to get 7% off. Let me look at the other variant. 100 gram can be bought for 159 and 800 gram can be bought for 1200. बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम। अब टाइम आया है आपको प्रोडक्ट्स दिखाने का। First of all, I'm going to start with pink salt. I've been reading a lot about it, that it is really good for health. So if we look closely, it's written Amna's simple, natural, local, natural Himalayan gulabi namak, extra fine ground pink salt. बाय द वे मैंने एक और वेबसाइट से ग्रैन्यूलेटेड भी मंगवाया है और एक कोर्स भी मंगवाया है. दिस इज़ द fine one, refined one. So they are claiming our non-iodized salt provides over 84 much needed trace minerals, electrolytes and other elements including calcium, magnesium, potassium, copper and iron. So what are the health benefits? So they are claiming it creates an electrolyte balance, increase hydration, pH balance, alkaline acidity and help to reduce acid reflux. It prevents muscle cramping, aids in proper metabolism functioning, and it improves blood circulation. I've been reading some research about pink salt. People are moving from using their regular salts to the pink salts because apparently they are very good for health. उसके बाद जो सेकंड आइटम है वो है जी इनका प्लम शरबत. इट्स नेचुरल, सिंपल, ऑर्गेनिक, all natural, no artificial colors, flavors or additives. The only additive we use is love. This is written on almost every product. It's a nice refreshing sherbet. I have tried it. I've ordered 3 bottles of the pink salt. I have shown you the website where the prices are mentioned for each thing. And then this is the cocoa powder that I've ordered, and natural cocoa powder with no sugar added. An exceptionally fine powder that is very pure and has a powerful flavor, deep color and a beautiful aroma. This fine mouth watering powder is ideal for baking and preparing delicious desserts. So a long time ago I applied henna on my, when I came back from Umrah, I applied henna on my nails and there is still some traces on henna. It apparently makes my nails look very dirty, but I'm sorry, they're not. It's just henna stained. So अब अगली प्रोडक्ट है जी sesame seeds, और we all know about them. So ये मैंने कुछ एक डिज़र्ट बनाने के लिए मंगवाए थे. So here it is. उसके अलावा इन्होंने मुझे कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री भेजे हैं, दो कैप्सूल्स हैं. दे आर Vita Her for women wants daily multivitamin and multi-mineral supplement. Heart function, bone strength, eye sight, dental health, immune system. They're good for all of these things. So thank you very much. Okay, now I'm going to share you the benefits of pink salt on skin. Salt has microbial properties which may make it beneficial for treating acne. Himalayan salt baths might be good way to treat acne on hard to reach areas of the body where breakouts occur, such as back or shoulders. Mineral baths and have been shown to have benefits for people with psoriasis and eczema. So basically आप अगर अपने बाथ टब में पिंक हिमालयन सॉल्ट डाल दें तो आपकी एक्नी के बहुत से प्रॉब्लम्स जो हैं वो हल हो जाएंगे. Now I'm going to write benefits. Here it is written as skin, so I'm talking about overall. So I'm going to search that. Benefits of pink Himalayan salt. Okay. Here are 6 amazing health benefits of Himalayan salt that definitely makes it superior than your regular table salt. It's sole water to flush out toxins. ये आपकी बॉडी में से टॉक्सिन्स, जहरीले मादे रिलीज़ कर देता है. इट रेगुलेट्स ब्लड शुगर एंड हार्मोनल बैलेंस. ये आपके ब्लड शुगर को और हार्मोन्स को बैलेंस करता है. ये आपकी डाइजेशन को इम्प्रूव करता है. सॉल्ट थेरेपी फॉर रेस्पिरेटरी प्रॉब्लम. बाथ सोक, जैसे कि अभी थोड़ी देर पहले मैंने आपसे शेयर किया कि यू कैन सोक योर बॉडी इनटू हिमालयन वाटर एंड हिमालयन सॉल्ट लैम्प्स प्यूरिफाई द एयर. और अगर आप गूगल करें तो यू विल फाइंड आउट सो मैनी अदर बेनिफिट्स ऑफ हिमालयन सॉल्ट. यहाँ पे 20 सॉल्ट बेनिफिट्स हैं हिमालयन सॉल्ट के. उसके अलावा आमना नेचुरल से यू कैन सिंपली grab the Himalayan salt. Okay, so this is how the coarse salt looks like. ये दानेदार है, ये दानेदार नमक है. मैंने फाइन लिया है ताकि हम अगर आसानी से स्प्रिंकल कर सकें ओवर फ्रूट्स एंड वेजिटेबल्स एंड सैलड्स. कोर्स नमक जो है वो आप अपने खाने में डाल सकते हैं पकाते हुए. इट कैन बी ईजिली डिज़ोल्व्ड. थैंक यू वेरी मच. सी यू इन अनदर वीडियो. प्लीज़ लाइक और सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिए. थैंक यू वेरी मच. मच लव. अल्लाह हाफिज़.